You guys have name, right? Belma. We also have name Gotchabel. You didn't know? Bel J. So now it's like ano tawag sa
Ano na daw? They will call it Simabel.
But
This is a love triangle, you know.
but now I come to massage.
Wow. Alam niyo na guys kung bakit wala siya dito sa room. Sarap!
And you, Emma and CJ, working now?
Me? I am trying to find my soul. Oh, Gotchabel, pautang.
Pautang too. Emma, she is the winner. She got money a lot now.
Yeah, we need to make utang.
We need to ask Papa.
10 million baht you.
How? 10 million?
Sana all.
เปาตัง Emma. Kemperus. Emma teach me. CJ.
Oh my god.
But I don't know mean. Aray ko.
Sakit.
Oh, now you say to the lady, aray ko.
We are poor. Why poor? Emma and CJ not poor na. She's so many a billionaire, you know.
No, we are poor. We pay a lot for our tax, you know.
Yes, we pay a lot of tax and we don't get anything in return. We pay tax here also. We pay tax in our country too.
Oh.
We pay tax and then you do this. That's called nga.
Nga.
Mahal kita.
Hindi kita mahal. Charot. Mahal kita, pengin pera.
Emma, why you not sleep?
Because I'm waiting for you. You're doing massage and here I'm waiting for you.
And here I am looking at the love story. Watching the life story unfolds.
Oh.
Wow.
Tomorrow you will go to massage and spa, right?
I don't have money.
I think Gotchabel can pay.
Okay,
Yes, I pay. I can pay.
Oh, she's so rich. Maybe you can pay for me too.
Yes, of course.
Okay, tomorrow let's go to buy Ferrari.
Oh, sorry. Tomorrow I am so busy.
Well, how many is your car?
Huh?
How many? Your car? 5?
Your car? My car?
You.
You drive how many car?
100 car.
Diskaya lang. Wow, you know what, Gotchabel? You're like a business family in the Philippines.
Yes.
They own more than 100 cars.
Yes.
So many.
Oh,
Oh my god, that means you are super rich.
super rich.
Yes.
No.
Sabihin mo.
Chapuno.
I think Gotchabel is nepo baby.
Chapuno.
Yeah, I think Gotchabel is a nepo baby.
Rarochi.
Hindi na para i-invite si Papa Nawat dito, ha?
Doon, madali.
Tama na kayo.
Pero baka mamaya nandito na.
Baka nandito.
Nag-aabang na yung...
Minsan, umiikot pa naman yung...
Oh my goodness. English, please. Why we have flower?
Why we have flower?
That's the grand flower.
Yes. Hindi ko din alam bakit. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Who?
You?
No, I ate a lot.
Like what?
And you?
No. I need to go out to buy food. I want pad thai.
But
I want fried rice.
I want you.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye, guys. Who am I here? A viewer?
Charlotte.
Why are you doing this, Belle, while I'm here? You can just kick me out of the live. I see you have many cards. Maybe I can borrow one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Filipino in my life, a lot. 7,000 watching this live, but My life no have Thai people.
Just Filipino?
Yes, Filipino only.
The Filipinos are always present on social media, you know.
They don't sleep, you know. They always watch.
They just watch this. Mm.
No, they don't sleep.
They are alien.
Yes, sometimes.
What?
Oh, English so hard.
5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
2.
1. Get out.
Oh my goodness.
It's really hard to copy you because you're very rich.
Mm.
New hairstyle.
Parang bagay na.
I love your hair.
Oh, thank you. Kapon siya. Oh, you also have one. Oh, ikaw na next, CJ. Naman.
Pag yan wala, pag yan wala. Nasaan? Guys, ilabas nyo. Where is the filter? Give it to me. Give it now.
Sa'yo. 5, 4.
4, 3, and dive ko to. 2.
Here's the catch. If I win, you will treat us, CJ and I. You will treat us in massage, salon, and then we will eat. Okay?
So many.
Wala na kami pera, oh. Ano to?
Just 1,000. Just 1,000.
Maraming
Oh my
maraming salamat,
god.
guys. Perfect.
One more again.
No. Tomorrow you will treat us, okay?
You win. You are the winner.
Tomorrow you will treat us.
Buti na lang pangatlo lang ako. Wala ako sa usapan lang magtitrip. Sino? Ano yun? Ngayong mo lang binagsak. Pinoy nga kayo. Lagi kayong late.
Ay na siya. Tinawag na niya lahat.
หมอเล่ขอบคุณค่ะหมอเล่ขอบคุณค่ะพี่หมอ
Nagdadalita na siya ng ibang lingwahe. Gastos na namin natin.
Thank you.
Wala na.
Uy, ang ganda niyan.
Oh,
Ayan na,
si
hindi na
Jay,
kami.
big gift na.
Yes, I
Oh,
know.
oh.
I know. We will fight you. Fight you.
What does it mean, Paldo? Paldo. Paldo.
Paldo.
Paldo.
Paldo. Akala ko powder. Bibigyan kita powder.
Paldo.
Paldo.
Paldo
Paldo.
means you have like, when you have so much money.
Yes.
When you're like rich.
You reach your quota. Paldo.
Like tons of money. Paldo.
Kota ko.
Oh, it mean I rich.
You reach your quota.
You.
That's why you're very rich, Paldo.
Paldo.
That's the husband of Palda, you know? Paldo.
เดี๋ยวไปถามไอ้มาอีกทีนะคะหลังจบไลฟ์นะคะ after
So,
ไล
sabi
ฟ์
niya, sendan niyo ako,
Okay.
babayaran ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Yan ang sinabi sa
พาจะอยาก
May sarili
ไป
na
ไลฟ์
siyang
ซีจีก่อนดีกว่า
Guys, may sarili na siyang kausap.
Anong pangalan ng salon, CJ?
Kiki.
Kiki. So cute.
Do you want?
One.
Yes.
Kiki nail.
Me, I'll go out by myself. Because I'm alone.
She's alone.
Do your ugliest face, okay? 3, 2, 1. Na SS daw. Screenshot. Alam niyo, nalalabas na to, ha?
Siyempre lalabas yan, di ba?
Ihanda ang sarili.
Ihanda ang mga basher.
Thank you for following me. Thank you.